It is.
Yeah. People, what's the deal? It's your boy Lando. I am the man, though. Let's talk. I'm gonna tell y'all about this week, man. This week was crazy, man. It was a crazy week, man. But I'm just gonna tell y'all about one specific load. That boy, it's Tesla load, y'all. Shout out to Tesla, man. Look, man. So I grabbed the Tesla load. I got a mean rate per mile on it. I said, yo, this is it, boy. So I'm like, okay, I'm with that. Excuse me. So I'm with that. I took it, right? So as I'm driving, some say, look at the Raycon. I look back at the Raycon and BOL. I said, oh shoot, we don't deliver them. I said, but it's right down the road. It literally was a day trip. It was from Maryland. It was Maryland to North Carolina. It was like 200 miles, something like that. So yeah, I can drop this out tomorrow morning, early. Nope. That thing said the next day. I said, come on. I said, man, me, look, this one. So I called first, I called the broker. I was like, look, this thing say, I think it was, the thing said drop off Wednesday. It's Monday, right? It said drop off Wednesday. I said, look, it's only down, it's a couple miles down the road. He said, yeah, it's mandatory, Wednesday. Hey man, military say, hey, you on time, you're late. If you're early, you're on time. If you're on time, you're late, man. I'm a military guy, man. So I said, shoot, all right. But I had another load I was about to go pick up. Anyways, I was moving, man. Your boy was moving. So I get there, it's late. It was late night I got there too, man. It was like 12 o'clock at night. You see the video. And I booked a hotel. Because there was no truck stop nowhere around it at all. So I said, dang, I gotta book a hotel. I don't just sleep anywhere in my truck, man. That's y'all, I can do that. So I slept in a hotel. But I pulled up into the hotel. I said, dang, parking lot full. Dang, so I pulled back out. And I'm in front of the hotel. I'm trying to make a turn on the sidewalk. I said, I might just park right here. Then I see a little puddle. I said, man, the truck ain't gonna get stuck in that. It's a little puddle. Make that turn, boom, pull up on the sidewalk, I'm good. But some say, nah, I don't think you should park here, Orlando. So I'm trying to back up. I said, what the heck? No, don't do me like this. Don't do me like this, man. Look, the more I pressed that gas, the more it got deeper. I said, what the heck? Man, after a while, man, the truck was looking crazy, man. It was a crazy night, man. It was a crazy night. So now it's like 1 o'clock in the morning, man. I said, I'm about to go check in. I called the tow truck, checked in. Tow truck guy came by 2. Tow truck guy came by 2, right? So, boom. Did that. He pulling it out. I'm sure it in somewhere. He pulling it out. You know, so what he did was he hooked the truck up. What he did was, yeah, he did hook the truck up. He hooked to the truck and he pulled it out while I stared while he coming out. Once the 2 back tires hit the pavement, that's when I put him. I was already in reverse. That's how that went. And of course, you know, your boy, Lando the Mando, I definitely delivered that load early. And when I got there, they were like, yeah. We thought it was coming the other day, but you know, we here. Knock that out. You know what I'm saying? Let Roker know. Roker ain't respond, but I got paid. So I don't know if he was mad. But yeah. They want to get paid too. They waiting on that cash too. So if you're early, you're on time, you're late, man. This ain't a long video. I just had to share that with y'all, man. It's been a crazy week, man. But shout out to y'all, man. It's your boy Lando. I am the man, though.